Hey everyone, the Motivational Professor here. And just as a reminder, you can turn on closed captions for subtitles in over 10 languages. Okay, so let's get right into our analysis here. As you can see here, we've already taken a sell from this psychological number of 85. This was given out inside of our members area. So if you're not a member yet, you definitely want to check out our diamond membership for the price of coffee each and every month. So let's go ahead and break this down now. So you have your zones for today. Now, I'm going to kind of make this a little bit bigger so you can definitely see it. And again, we are going to kind of use the same type of analysis that we've been doing here. And with regards to the 50-cent markers, okay, the 50-cent markers. Now we are just hitting that 8,400 area right in here. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and mark this up, because I think what we're going to see is we're going to see some bounces today with crude oil. And then we want to go ahead and mark this down at about 83. Let's do 83.50 will be the top of the zone to be safe. And then we're going to go ahead and mark down our next levels. I'm going to be giving you these entries here in just a minute, so stay tuned for that. So we're going to kind of be sitting in this mark right here, and we're going to drop down to our 5-minute chart here. So let me bring that down so we can kind of see what that looks like. Okay, so we're right here. Now, this right here is the 50-day moving average. Okay, so if you want to add that 50-day moving average, there's a lot of value in that. I covered that yesterday in our live members training. So you definitely want to take a look at that. So right now, what we are seeing is we are seeing this right here. We are beginning to see, let me get rid of this, right? We are beginning to see this pattern happening here, right? We're beginning to see lower lows, okay? We're beginning to see lower lows. You can see that right here, what's happening. So based on this chart right now, we should be looking for price to come back into this area, okay? Into this area. And then we want to go ahead and sell back down to here, okay? That is one option, okay? Again, price likes to hover near the 50-day moving average. So I'm going to tell you that because this is a 5-minute chart, right? This should be your sell area right in here. I'm going to go ahead and mark that. This is going to be a sell scalp right here. Again, our goal for anything that we do should always be 20 to 30 cents or ticks if you are trading in futures, okay? 20 or 30 cents and ticks. So this is kind of what we're looking for here. We can see here, even on the 5-minute chart, okay? We had price moving up in this direction, okay? We hit our area of major resistance on a higher time frame. We came back to the 50. This is why I like the 50-day moving average. Bounced off the 50, came back up to retest it. Now we are trending below the 50-day moving average, and we are kind of in this area here. Anywhere in this section, okay, I would like to see a sell for 20 to 30 cents. Anywhere in this area right here. Okay, this is only a 20-cent area. Okay, anywhere in here coming back up towards the 50, kind of like what happened here, okay, I would like to see some type of sell opportunity in that area up in there, okay? Now, that's the view for the 5-minute chart. This is ideally where we should be trading, okay? So again, if we are talking about 20 cents from this area, let's say we get it up here towards the top of the box, I'm going to show you what 20 cents is right here. You would be basically trading from the top of this box, okay, to the bottom of this box. That's a 20-cent area. That should be your trading day right there, right? We talked about this yesterday in our members training, how if you can just practice on catching 20 or 30 cents or pips or ticks a day, and you're trading, let's say, $1 a point or a pip or a tick, and you're making $20 a trade, eventually you trade $2 a trade, $3 a trade. Now that becomes $60 a day. Then it becomes $80 a day. And that's the way you grow a small account. Stop trying to hit the home run. So this is what you should be focused on to scalp today. This is going to be a shorter video because I wanted to give you a sell scalp opportunity. Okay, so based on what we're seeing here, let's drop up to the 15-minute chart so you can kind of see it from the 15-minute chart. right? We are coming back up into this sell scalp area up in here. So again, if we can get price to come back up into this box, it should give you a good opportunity to grab a sell. If we close way above here, then your next area that you should be focused on should be right in here, right? These are going to be our main areas. So if we can stay in here, we should see a drop back down to about 83.60 or so, okay? Because we can see here price has reacted favorably to that, okay? Again, realize it is Thursday, and again, we are trending now kind of below the 50-day moving average. So this should kind of be a sell scalp trade, whether it's in this box or in this box. You should be looking today, in my opinion, we should be looking for sell opportunities only. Okay, we should be looking for sell opportunities only based upon the current market right now that I'm looking at on a smaller time frame. I'm not looking at a larger time frame. I'm looking for an opportunity to give you a scalping opportunity from these areas right in here. Okay, so I definitely hope you got some value. If you did, hit the like button for me. If you're brand new, subscribe. And again, check out our Diamond members area. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can join our live analysis, question and answers each and every week for members only. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.